There's a CN northbound coming. I just heard it.
I don't know if it's stopping though.
Okay.
I don't hear it anymore.
Yeah, it's stopping now.
I don't hear it anymore.
Did it pass?
I don't know.
I'll wait a few minutes to see what happens. It might be going slow.
Here it goes.
Okay, it's going down.
Gates are going down.
Is it coming? You think it's through?
Yeah, it's coming. The gates are going down.
Yeah, I can see it.
It'll be hard for you to see that train though. It's dark down there, isn't it?
Not really, but lights.
Hurry up before his light turns green. Come on, train.
What light?
That car's in the way, huh? There it goes.
Double stacks. 8920. I saw the number.
Really?
It looks like 8920.
Oh yeah, you can see pretty good, huh?
Double stacks.
Cool.
You thinking they'll want to come after?
I don't know. That one's going pretty slow, huh?
Yeah. Alright, truck. My hand. It's the same engine, it's the same engine, it's the same type cars and promos yesterday.
Yeah, it's always an intermodal at this time.
What?
It's always an intermodal train at this time.
But in case you hear no one, can let me know.
Yep.
Okay. Have you heard two northbounds here before?
I don't know, maybe.
Or have you heard two trains here at night before?
Yeah, I've heard a few at night before.
Really?
Yeah.
How many? Like more than one?
Yeah, sometimes two.
You think that every train's, you think they both get in class?
No.
How far do you think the southbound went?
I don't know, buddy.
Yeah, but I missed that one, but... Freaking hot.
Yep.
Cinder stacks. K-line. How many more hours you have still?
2.
That's a long train. It's going to go faster.
Yep.
Well, I mean, on a Friday, me and Grandma seen 2 northbounds. What time is this train?
I don't know. I didn't look at the...
Around 9 o'clock.
It's at least 9:30.
Is that it?
That's it. Go to the gates. Cool.
Yep. That's all for now.